Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you search about Flow and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode. You can fix that